With existing stores, what are retailers doing to with technology to help reduce leak rates?
Well, certainly, I think handheld leak detection devices have improved over the last 5 to 10 years. Definitely, in these devices and the associated training that people get on how to use those devices have helped identify where the leaks are occurring, especially with these new blends of refrigerants. And I think that has vastly improved the ability to identify leaks and address leaks in stores. And a renewed focus on the training of how to properly use those, and technicians are training each other, and maintenance companies and service companies are training their technicians on how to properly find leaks. I think that's an important step that we've taken in the industry. Additionally, the industry is finding a lot of different ways to identify or identifying parallel racks with leaking components by monitoring the operation of the system. So by monitoring different operation points within the rack system through the EMS or through controls or a supervisory system, over time, you can find trends in superheat values or receiver levels, for example, that can signify that you have a leak somewhere in the system. And those trends over time can help you be proactive or help end users be proactive about addressing those leaks. So knowing where your leaks are, being able to spot the leaks is important, but having an enterprise level view of where those leaks are occurring helps the end user, the operator, the maintenance company find the leaks, address the leaks before they become catastrophic. I don't know if it really rises to the level of AI, but using automation that includes some level of data acquisition and data analysis functionality to compare the key operating parameters over time, that can help you identify leaking stores, leaking systems with little or no involvement from the store operator. They find out about it as it's happening, and they don't have to actively. There's no problem in the store when they find out that they have a leak. Now people are finding out they have leaks because they have temperature issues. We're talking about being more proactive through technology and being able to have a wider visibility into what's leaking in your entire enterprise of stores, not one specific system that has a temperature issue. So that's very important. But another important factor is associated with that is the record keeping and tracking. It is very important for an operator to know what systems have systemic leaks before they can take an enterprise level action to address those leaks. So knowing what you have in all of your stores, what stores are leaking, where they're leaking, what components are leaking in those stores will help you develop better designs and give better direction to your maintenance and service companies. And I think all of those actions are being improved through technology. So, and then after all of that, really, once you have your arms around it, that makes it easier to quantify what the value is to the business associated with reducing those leaks. And when you understand what that value is to the business, then you can get budgets and projects assigned to address those issues. So I think those are the most important things that are happening in our industry that are very exciting in terms of leak reduction. I think as the other roundtable speakers talked about, there's leak rates that are above where they really could be. And I think technology and training are the two ways that we get to address those leaks.